Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment to undertake 3-day visit to Assam's Karbi Anglong. 15th November, Dr. Virendra Kumar, Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, will undertake a 3-day visit to Karbi Anglong, Assam, from Saturday. He will be reviewing the implementation of central welfare programs and engage with local stakeholders. During the visit, the minister will hold discussions with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and district officials to assess the progress of flagship schemes, including the National Oil Palm Mission. The itinerary includes interactions with residents of Samilangzo block, an aspirational area under the Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana, as well as visit to healthcare and educational facilities in Diffu and Havraghat. The minister will also meet NGOs working under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan and interact with Divyang children at the Sarsing Terran Memorial in Diffu. News Desk Report. Public TV, Karbi Anglong.